AMP, the headway of advanced money, and the blockchain business and effects, how people see money and hypothesis. A larger piece of informed individuals are beginning to embrace the possibility of decentralization, with decentralized finance DeFi being viewed as the possible destiny of cash. Crypto projects like AMP are ending up being dynamically charming. They help to work with reliable trades and moreover go about as adventure vehicles. This is one of the huge defenses for why this AMP esteem assumptions and guesses will interest numerous people. Understanding what a mechanized asset could be worth and what the future holds is fundamental, especially when you really want to contribute prudently. Here the middle is AMP to all the more promptly fathom the worth assumption for the AMP coin. Here is a quick diagram of the AMP coin cost surmise for the following couple of years. End of 2022, given the critical dive and bear market being looked by the crypto market in 2022. It isn't anything unforeseen that the AMP coin has experienced an enormous drop in its worth this year. Regardless, the coin should finish the year strong with costs going up to 0.019. End of 2023, the AMP coin will most likely grip a predictable upwards design for the year 2023. The coin is expected to go as high as 0.028. End of 2025. By 2025, the crypto market will have seen extended advancement in its number of clients and continuously start going norm. This will impact the expenses of all crypto tokens. The AMP coin should reach 0.054 by 2025. End of 2027. In the accompanying 5 years, through enormous associations and neighborhood, AMP coin will see a basic lift in its utilization and number of clients. Costs should go as high as 0.11 in 2027. End of 2030, digital forms of money and blockchain all around are acknowledged to presumably gone norm by 2030. This will reflect in the expenses of various crypto tokens. The AMP coin is expected to reach 0.40 close to the completion of 2030. What you want to be aware of AMP focusing in on the collateralization part of blockchain. The AMP plans to simplify mechanized assurance and clear for crypto clients and monetary sponsor, thusly dealing with a fundamental piece of the blockchain supporting structure and moreover extending blockchain adaptability and world cash and adventures as a modernized assurance token. AMP is advanced as giving speedy irrefutable affirmations for an asset move. Networks like Fleexa and others can rapidly and forever shield trades for an extent of asset-related use cases by utilizing AMP as a phase that may be stretched out to collateralize asset moves. Any sort of critical worth exchange, including modernized portions, government-provided cash trade, credit payouts, property bargains, and anything is possible from that point can be gotten by stamping AMP. AMP is prepared to collateralize a trade after it has been set apart to a portion. AMP capably decentralizes the bet of crypto move utilizing insure pools, making it especially appropriate for deception-safe associations and conventional applications. At the point when a trade is done, AMP deals with network rewards. Scattering smaller than normal flows and perpetual compounding are just two of the hidden inspiration types available in the AMP-wise agreement. Some key stand-separated components of the AMP project include: AMP was attempted to be overall around as flexible and strong as could truly be anticipated. AMP's open source grant enables you to gather and scatter explicit assurance bosses for your applications. AMP interface. AMP doesn't make capabilities considering the sort of asset or understanding technique. AMP can be used as security for any exchange, whether it be automated or physical. The usage of AMP collateralization is thoroughly free and has gone through testing and assessing. Applications that lock and open AMP on demand are not difficult to make and can be used to get moves work with crediting and accelerate the advancement of assets. AMP coin. The coin AMP is the neighborhood identification of the AMP project, which monetary patrons and crypto clients can place assets into to obtain various prizes and augmentation their capital as the coin fills in regard. The full-scale supply of AMP tokens is covered at 100 billion and they are appropriated as follows. The improvement resource will get 25 of the whole stock. The planner grants will get a relative degree of tokens. Tokens will be allocated to the establishing group and the worker pool, of which 20 is depicted for this bunch saves, are conveyed on a 4-year vesting plan with a 1-year feign to both current and unavoidable laborers. 10 of the overabundance tokens are put something aside for the organization improvement asset, and the extra 20 are obliged a year's lock-up. Flexicoin filled in as Flexa organization security cryptographic cash asset. When it was first officially settled, AMP was then made open in September 2020 as the most recent security token to support the entire Flexa organization. AMP value history: the AMP coin was shipped off on September 9, 2020. And the coin started trading at an expense of 0.0009 with a trading volume of more than 300,000, in this way conveying the coin to the premium of new monetary benefactors and crypto clients. The coin finished the year with a lower esteem than its hidden shipping off cost. The coin got its speed in the following year, 2021, hitting new highs of up to 0.036 with a trading volume of almost 11 million on February 14, 2021. By May 9, 2021, the AMP coin has grown basically to up to 0.07 with various monetary benefactors and crypto clients flooding the crypto project. Moreover, by June 17, 2021, the coin has broken its restriction ever high to one more high of 0.109 and a trading volume of 398 million before the completion of the next month, which is July. The coin encountered a shaky dive with costs impacting hard with 0.040 on July 21, 2021, with trading volume as low as 21 million. AMP coin later recovered by July 29, 2021 and had costs go up to 0.077 and a trading volume of more than 85 million by December 21, 2021. The AMP coin finished the year with costs in the dive zone. The expense of the coin was recorded at 0.046 heading into 2022. The AMP continued with its sliding bending, recording even lower costs than it had the earlier year on January 25, 2022. The expense of the AMP coin was recorded at 0.00027 with a trading volume of 265 million at the hour of this. The AMP coin has hit a colossal low with the expense of the coin at 0.00092 per token and a trading volume of 153 million. The coin is moreover situated 80 with a totally debilitated market capitalization of 85,872,893,549. AMP specialized examination: the specific assessment of any crypto token expects a critical part in supporting monetary patrons' decisions on any crypto token which they choose for their hypothesis. This is in light of the fact that this actions a crypto token strong and feeble spots exhibiting to monetary patrons when to exchange their crypto token to gain most outrageous advantage given the market position and the precariousness being looked by the crypto market. The specific assessment for the AMP coin is earnestly showing a proposition right now due to specific components including moving midpoints, oscillators, and other critical factors which join to affect the AMP's advancement in the crypto space. The particular examination of any crypto token is huge. It expects an essential part in the coin's improvement in the crypto market, but this isn't to suggest